Hello everyone and welcome back to Dr. Sourav's classes. Today we will solve this Pre-SAT question. Okay, so the question says the functions f and g are defined by the given equations where x greater than equal to 0. Which of the following equations displays as a constant or coefficient the maximum value of the function it defines where x greater than equal to 0. First, fx is equal to 33 into 0.4 whole to the power x plus 3, and the statement 2 is gx is equal to 33 into 0.16 into 0.4 whole to the power x minus 2. Okay, so since 0.4 is less than 1, any function of the form a into 0.4 whole to the power x is a decreasing exponential function. Decreasing exponential function. Okay, that means the maximum value occurs at the smallest allowed value of x, and we are given that x greater than equal to 0. So the maximum must occur at x is equal to 0, and that's the main idea of this question. Now analyze function 1, that is fx is equal to 33 into 0.4 whole to the power x plus 3. So given fx is equal to 33 into 0.4 whole to the power x plus 3. So rewrite it clearly. So fx is equal to what? 33 into 0.4 whole cube into 0.4 whole to the power x. Now calculate 0.4 whole cube is what? 0.064. Okay. So fx is equal to 33 into 0.064 into 0.4 whole to the power x. Now compute 33 into 0.064. So we get 2.112 here. Okay. So fx becomes 2.112 into 0.4 whole to the power x. Now remember one thing. Since 0.4 whole to the power x decreases as x increases, the maximum occurs at x is equal to 0. So we can say if 0 is equal to 2.112 into 0.4 whole to the power 0, that is 2.112 into 1, that is 2.112. Okay, now look very carefully. Does the equation show 2.112 as a visible coefficient? No, the equation shows 33, not 2.112. So the maximum value is not directly displayed as the coefficient. So statement 1 does not display the maximum value as its coefficient. Okay. Now come to function 2. Given that gx is equal to 33 into 0.16 into 0.4 whole to the power x minus 2. So first rewrite it properly. Remember 0.16 is equal to 0.4 whole square. So gx is equal to 33 into 0.4 whole square into 0.4 to the power x minus 2. Now combine the powers. So 0.4 whole square into 0.4 whole to the power x minus 2 is equal to 0.4 whole to the power x. So now gx is equal to 33 into 0.4 whole to the power x. That simplifies beautifully. Now again, since 0.4 less than 1, maximum occurs at x is equal to 0. So G0 is equal to 33 into 0.4 whole to the power 0, that is 33 into 1 is equal to 33. Now look at the equation. The coefficient is 33 and the maximum value is 33. So yes, this equation displays its maximum value directly as its coefficient. So statement 2 works. Okay. So statement 1 no, statement 2 yes. So the correct answer for this question will be option B, 2 only. Okay. So since 0.4 is less than 1, both functions are decreasing exponential function. Therefore, their maximum values occur at x is equal to 0. After simplifying, only the second function displays its maximum value at its coefficient. Hence, the correct answer is option B, 2 only. Okay. So this was the whole solution for this question. If you have any kind of doubt regarding this question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.